What's going on, guys? So having another sell-off in the market overall. The VIX kind of jumping up here, jumping up at open, kind of crashing, and then bouncing around. You got the SPY over here. Get this green to red move here on the SPY. Might be a good opportunity to go short on the overall market. Look for the VIX to really go crazy here. So kind of playing this move right now. A couple people asked me to actually make this video kind of talking about how to trade the VIX, how to trade TVIX. I am no expert by any means, but I'll give you guys an idea of how I normally trade it when something like this set up. So right now I'm just watching the SPY very closely here, kind of watching where the support resistance areas are on the SPY. So I mean, that 243.10 area is obvious, going to be support there. One opportunity already here on TVIX, got in there on this pullback, could not get filled, just like it pulled all the way down to here, tried to get filled a couple of times, it was bouncing around so crazy, trying to get filled with a limit order. But you can see TVIX now jumping up higher, the SPY pulling down here. So basically you're watching the SPY, watching the VIX, watching TVIX over here. When you're trading VIX, when you're trading the TVIX, is really this chart, the support resistance areas. I mean, it's going to kind of matter, but it's kind of not. You're kind of really looking here at the SPY, seeing what the overall market's doing, seeing what the S&P is doing. The less volatility in the market, the less the moves are. The S&P can be at the same price all day long, but if it's not moving up and down fast, the VIX isn't moving, and that's when the TVIX starts crashing. So there's really no support areas. There's really no resistance areas. So I know it doesn't really make sense. You think about it, because this does not really trade like a normal stock. We're not really trading support resistance areas. But what we're looking at is actually looking at the volatility in the overall market. Looking here at SPY SPY ETF. It's going to track the S&P 500. Kind of watching it right now. There's 24. Looking for a bounce here off the 243 area. 243.20. Get a nice bounce back up here to some resistance at for an opportunity to go long again on here on TVIX. So there you see the SPY's heading higher, TVIX is heading lower. So see if it gets up here to this 243.50, well, 243.35 area. See how it acts around there. Look at that drop. So bam, SPY goes up, TVIX goes down. That's what you're watching here. More drastic moves. TVIX is literally always going to be going down, in the sense that following the SPY, it's not going to be like, if a SPY is at a certain point, the TVIX is at a certain point. It's basically following the VIX, and the VIX is changing constantly. If the SPY did the same exact move over and over all day long, just pop up, pop down, pop up, pop down, then the VIX would barely move. It'd probably go down, I guess. The volatility would go down and down. TVIX would just keep going down. TVIX down there below 21.10, kind of at that resistance area from earlier there on the SPY. See if it's going to bust through it. Big green candle right now. Looks like it wants to. And there it goes, busting through that resistance. You can see how TVIX now is pulling down real fast, real hard. And even though the market's kind of just stuck in the same spot, you can see the VIX is just dropping and dropping. If the SPY just stays in that same area for the rest of the day, the VIX will start dropping and dropping. It's not one of those things where you can buy it and hold it and wait for the market to crash. Even if the market just goes sideways for weeks and weeks and weeks, you're going to get screwed, because the VIX is constantly going to be going down. Jumping in there at 20.94. Might get a little bit of a bounce here. Looks like we might get a pullback here on the SPY, so see if we can't get something here. Real quick, in and out. Get above that $21. You can see the SPY doing a little bit of a pullback here. And still going. Giving it one more second. And taking profit there. Taking profit there at 21.08. So pretty much in and out, guys. In and out here. Just 10 cents for me. That's all I need. In and out there. It's up to 21.10 now. Market's pulling back more. But this thing, like I said, it moves fast, in and out fast. But give you guys an idea. And there it goes. So nice little move there on the VIX. But never being greedy with this one. You can see my trade there. Getting in there at 20.94. Getting out there at 21.05 for 11 cents. Small size. Always playing this with small size. I don't ever trust it. Really, maybe if the market's just really crashing crazy on that day. Oh, look at it now. Up there to 21.20. There it goes, up to 21.21 now. Market pulling back here. You can see exactly how that's happening. Watching the SPY pulling back here. Watching the TVIX heading higher. So it's Friday. I've traded TVIX twice now. Not going to push my luck with it. It might want to go flying higher, but you know, it's market's kind of just right there in the middle now. It's not a huge sell-off, not a big run up or anything like that. So we'll see what happens. But overall, ending up green here after trading TVIX twice. Not getting the best entries, but also taking profit early like normal. You can see here, taking profit there. It ran up another like 30, 40 cents. Taking profit there, ran up another like 10, 20 cents. Like I said, playing it safe when you're trading TVIX, taking profit fast. You can see how fast this thing drops. literally from 2160 down there to 2070 in about 5 minutes. So boom, huge drop. Same thing happening again, pulling back here. The market's starting to rally. So look how fast that drops through that 21 area. There's no support on this. It's just easy up, down. It's a day trading vehicle and nothing more. You can see there now back down there to 2095. So if you're going to trade the VIX, if you're going to trade these volatility ETFs, make sure you play it quick and fast, take profit when you got it, get in and out. And that's what it's all about when you're day trading the VIX and playing the overall market. Really, you want to look for the market having a clear sell-off today. It's very choppy. You don't really, this morning it opened up in the red, then went green, bouncing around. It's not clear. On a good day when the market's is selling off hard and TVIX is boom, 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 heading higher, a lot better to play. But I wanted to make this video to talk about kind of how I play the VIX and how I play kind of these days when there's not a lot of opportunity. You still have a lot of volatility here in playing these kind of setups. But like I said, I don't suggest doing this all day long. You want to play it safe and take profit when you got it. Hopefully that helps you guys. Hope it gives you guys an idea. Like I said, I am no pro when it comes to trading the VIX, when it comes to trading volatility and stuff like that. But sometimes I get lucky. So I got lucky today. 2 trades, 2 green trades, 2 small profits there. 500 shares each, making about $110. So happy with that. I will talk to you guys later on.